you are. Good to see you. What type of wagon should we pull? Just super! Absolutely! Only the boldest of engines will try cannonball curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the... Excellent! Great! Heads. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. Just spin the wheel to rotate the track. Great! That's the way! That's the way! That's the way! We all love your train set! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... Right leads to... Left leads to... the... Forward leads to... the Sodor. The steamworks are just ahead. Right leads to... the steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the steamworks. Touch the mud to wash it off. Be sure to clean it all. Great! Thanks a lot for your help.